In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crossplay ARK between PC and Xbox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, ARK has crossplay between PC and Xbox, but the problem most people run into is that they are trying to use the wrong PC version of ARK to crossplay. As you are probably aware, there are two versions of ARK Survival Evolved on PC. You have the Steam version and the Microsoft or Windows Store version, aka the Xbox Windows version. If you try to crossplay with your friends who are maybe on Xbox using this Steam version of ARK, you are going to notice that it's impossible. This is because crossplay between Xbox and the Steam version of ARK on PC does not work. It is impossible and there are no workarounds to this. You are only able to crossplay between PC and Xbox if you have the Microsoft Store or the Xbox Windows version of ARK Survival Evolved. So, if you want to play with your friends who are on Xbox, or maybe they are on PC and you are on Xbox, they need to use the ARK Survival Evolved PC version found on the Microsoft Store. This is the only way to crossplay natively between both versions. After that, you just have to set up a server, add each other, and run together. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay between PC and Xbox on ARK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.